again. It's Mary, and I'm back this week with challenge number 2 that is being hosted by Tracy at Secondhand Tracy Ann. Our challenge this time is called Rae Dunn Lemon Collection Hunt. And so I'm going to take you over to my counter in my kitchen and show you what I'll be putting together this morning. And I also am going to give you a little extra footage of a surprise I had this morning when I woke up. So I'll be back and we'll get started on this new challenge. Here's a little bonus footage for my video today. I wanted to show you why we do not plant anything until mid-May at least in Colorado. It's 32 degrees and we got quite a bit of snow last night, and my spring snow crab, I think the blooms are going to be done for. But we only probably got about an inch or so. But the cold temps and the snow make it not a good thing to be planting just yet. All right, I hope you enjoyed that little scene of the snow in my backyard today. We're going to move here to my kitchen island, and I have the ingredients set out here that I think I'm going to be using in my design. You can see I have a lift here, some greeneries, some flowers, 2 different types, lemons, a little apothecary jar, ball canning jar, and my one Rae Dunn piece. I have been wanting to get one of these lemon squeezers for quite some time. It's just a perfect tool to use in your kitchen. So it's practical and very cute. And then I have a plate here and a kissing ball. And over here, I have begun to set up what I think I might be using as part of this design. And lastly, I'm going to be using this same table runner in this little vignette. I like it so much. It's a light gray buffalo check, as you can see, and it just goes really well with my decor. And it's got that little bit of farmhouse look as well. So let's get started on the actual design. So here you can see the area, that I'm going to be putting up and styling my design. So I'm going to begin with this basket of lemons. Now this is a basket I've had for quite some time, and I'm going to just place it on this lift here. And as I said, I already put the lemons in this container. The lemons are actually the same ones that I used in my other design last week from Kirkland's. And then I plan to take this plate here and let's see, I think I want it turned this direction, and I'm going to place it in this stand. Love that. Now I want to add a small amount of florals, and I'm going to be adding blue because, as well as white, blue can go really well with yellow, and it will just make that yellow pop. So I'm going to be using some yellow flowers today. I'm going to reach over here and get some of my florals. Here they are, that you saw earlier. And I actually cut these florals, I pre-cut them. I have one with a little bit longer stem and one I cut very short. Because again, you know, I measured it for how would this look in this small mason jar. Let me turn this down just a tad to help you see that better. So this is the taller one, and you know, as I said in my last video, it's very important when you're doing flower arranging that you have your florals be different heights. Some short, some tall. So the tall one, of course, will just go in the back, and then we'll just fluff it out like that. And that looks pretty cute already, don't you think? But I'm going to add some of these white little pom-pom flowers into the design. And I'm just snipping off the one flower at a time. And I'm going to go ahead and place this short one right here in the front. And then I have one here that will be a bit taller and has two of these little pom-pom flowers on it. I'm going to place it in the back a little bit more. Let's take another one with two. Here we are. I'm just snipping them off with my wire cutters. So we'll place this over here on this side for a balanced look. I want some more down in the front as well. So I'm going to take another one here and maybe place it down over on this side. And I do like, and I'm going to put 3 of them there because it always looks best to have your florals be in groups of 3. It's just one of those sort of design rules that helps to make your flower arrangement look very natural, because you know, in nature things are not symmetrical very often. Now I'm going to place one more of the double pom-poms in the back here, and then there we have, I have 3 taller ones in the back and then 3 shorter ones in the front. And notice they're not spaced evenly, and that's perfectly okay, because like I said, in nature things do not grow that way. So I'm going to place this over here on this side of my lemon wire basket full of lemons. So there's another piece to my design. Next, I'm going to take my Rae Dunn piece, the lemon squeeze, and put it right here. Now, I know Tracy said this had to be a Rae Dunn hunt, and I am telling you, in Colorado, it is so hard to find Rae Dunn pieces. You really, truly do have to hunt for them. But I was really excited when I found this piece at Marshall's about a month ago. So I think I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to have to take a look at it from the other side. I don't want it to be smack dab in the middle necessarily, because that's too matchy-matchy sort of for the look. And I'm going to place a kissing ball, I think, right here next to it. I'm not sure about that quite yet. And then I have one last piece. This is my surprise piece. And in this apothecary jar, I have something to add. So my surprise piece, this apothecary jar, I'll put it over here so you can see it a little better, is going to be containing, I'll take the lid off, some lemon drops. I like oftentimes to, depending on the season, to have a little dish of candies on my island for guests who come over. And of course, my grandsons always like a little treat when they come by. So I'm just going to be pouring these cute little lemon drops into this jar. Isn't that darling? I really like these lemon drops. I'll just place it over there. Now, I'm going to step back and see if there's anything else I need to add to my design. The result of all of my moving things around, adding a little bit, readjusting the flower arrangement, and my little kissing ball, adding a lemon, and just making sure everything looks nice. There is my vignette with my little lemon drop candies. So excited about that. And my Rae Dunn piece. This is very cheerful and I sure do like it a lot this time. I especially like the addition of the color blue into the florals here. I just wanted to say goodbye to you all and thank everyone for stopping by. I sure hope I was able to help you with a little inspiration for your summer kitchen. And thanks again to Tracy for doing these series of videos. They're so much fun and such a great decor theme. I just really like it a lot. So come on back because there's going to be more. And I hope you're having a lovely day and maybe not snowed in like we are. Okay, till next time, bye-bye.